The Caribbean sunrise whispered, and at last I heard myself breathe. No alarm rang, only the sea kept time with gentle patience. The children slept on, cared for by a team that understood enchantment. On the terrace, cool stone kissed my feet and salt air softened thoughts. Coffee drifted nearby, mingling with jasmine as the sky blushed peach. My office brain arrived late, then hesitated before the horizon. It always wanted plans, backups, and reassurance for every tiny detail. Here, the details were already held, invisibly and beautifully. That was the true luxury, not silk sheets, but surrendered decisions. No frantic app checking, no worrying about bathrooms on catamarans. Instead, a guide waited at 9, already knowing our children's favorites. One child loved sea turtles, another needed careful attention to allergies. I had not arranged it, I only arrived and trusted. The day unknotted itself while I watched the sea breathe. My family laughed elsewhere, safe, delighted, and blissfully occupied. I chose stillness, and it did not feel empty. It felt like being given back to myself. The sunrise taught me patience without a single hurried word. Ambition, I learned, needs rest to keep shining. My children saw that life can also be savored. Not everything must be managed, measured, or maximized. Some mornings are meant for listening, not doing. Some blessings arrive quietly, wearing salt, light, and coffee. By noon, my shoulders had forgotten their old burden. By evening, I carried more calm than luggage. I returned home softer, steadier, and strangely renewed. That glow was not borrowed from the sun alone. It came from being deeply cared for. So, when the Caribbean calls, I answer slowly. I go for the silence and stay for the peace. Visit cetavacation.com for expert travel planning, exclusive deals, and personalized consultations. Subscribe for more insider tips on Caribbean holidays, Mexico vacations, and wedding honeymoons.